Assalamualaikum. My name is Nabila binti Mahmud Sriwijaya. Before I start my presentation, I want to ask you, have you ever wondered why eggs are included in most of the cake recipes out there? Well, after this presentation, you will know the answer. The title of this poster is Protein Denaturation Due to Mechanical Agitation, which is the beating in the making of cake. Before going to the beating process, we must know what is protein denaturation. Well, protein denaturation is a process in which proteins lose their shape and therefore their function. Protein denaturation could occur because of heat, acid, high salt concentration, alcohol, and mechanical agitation. Most of the protein in a cake comes from eggs and flour. The protein will denature because of heating and heating process. The physical act of beating will break the internal bonds of the protein and cause the protein molecules to unravel from the coil form into a strand. This process will expose the hydrophilic and hydrophobic ends of amino acid. The hydrophilic and hydrophobic ends will secure and hold the air bubbles that were trapped during the beating and allow the whipped egg white to stay in that form. These properties allow cake to have airy texture. This illustration shows how the amino acids hold the air bubbles. Ovalbumin and ovalmucin are the amino acids from egg white that play the role in this process. Ovalbumin keeps the volume of the whipped egg unchanged, while ovalmucin holds onto the air bubbles during heating. The denatured protein will also bond with molecules of another ingredient. This reaction will help the ingredients of the cake to mix together easily. So in conclusion, protein denaturation during the egg beating process are the ones that make the cake to have a nice texture and helps the ingredients to mix together. That is why eggs are an essential ingredient to make a soft cake. That is all from me. Thank you for listening and have a nice day.